Hello. There'll be plenty going on with the weather over the next day and a half or so. We're looking at some heavy rain, some strong and gusty winds. It is going to be very mild as well. But the strong winds and the heavy rain, and then possibly on Wednesday night some snow in northern Scotland, mean we do have a number of warnings in force. I'll break down the warnings in just a moment. But first of all, let's get through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, where the rain will slowly ease in northern Scotland. There'll be some wet weather across Wales, western fringes of England, seeing a few showers. But for many in the east and the south, it will be a dry night. It's breezy, it's cloudy, and the breeze bringing that mild air up. Temperatures in some towns and cities staying in the teens, but it is a little colder across northern Scotland as the rain starts to clear here. A much drier day then in northern Scotland on Wednesday compared to Tuesday, but elsewhere it's going to be very blustery, a gusty day for all of England and Wales, and we will see some heavy rain persisting in this zone across parts of southern Scotland, northern England and Wales. The rain may steadily ease through the day in Northern Ireland. Again, the winds a big feature, very gusty conditions and continuing to bring the mild air up from the south. Temperatures could reach 14 or 15 if we see some sunny spells across parts of East Anglia and the southeast. Still much colder than that across northern parts of Scotland. And that is one of the extra hazards then as the wet weather pushes northwards, hits that cold air in northern Scotland on Wednesday night and particularly through the course of Thursday morning, where we could start to see some heavy snowfall, initially over the hills, but coming down to lower levels. Further south, the rain will ease perhaps a little and the winds will still be a feature, but gradually easing during Thursday morning. For many, Thursday morning we'll see some sunshine, but then showers will sweep in from the west and we'll still have that snow falling across parts of northern Scotland. Temperature-wise, well, it will be a much colder, fresher feel for many parts of the UK. So, as I said, quite a lot going on. Let's break down those warnings one by one. We'll deal with the rain first of all. Heavy for much of Wednesday over parts of southern Scotland, northern England and much of Wales too. That rain could cause some problems as it builds up through the day. 25 to 50 millimetres of rain in some places, maybe, especially over the hills, as much as 100 millimetres of rain, and that could cause some flooding problems. Next, the winds picking up overnight and strengthening throughout Wednesday across pretty much all of England and Wales. Gusts of 40 to maybe 45, possibly 50 miles an hour, even inland. Around coast and over hills, gusts of 65 to maybe 70 miles an hour could cause some travel disruption. And then finally, a risk of some snow likely across parts of northern Scotland, initially over hills but coming down to lower levels. 2 to 5 centimetres of snow, maybe much more than that over the hills and mountains here. And again, the potential for disruption to transport from that. So a wet and windy spell giving way by the end of the week to a colder spell of weather for all of us. Please do keep up to date with those weather warnings. We're continually monitoring things. Keep up to date yourself by downloading the weather app or keep up to date on our website.